All right, got a pretty darn good question from somebody just about 5 minutes ago. So I'm going to open up a little soda pop. It's not really a soda pop, it's an energy drink with no sugar, no calories, and boy, they're good. A Monster Energy Ultra Blue Hawaiian. I'm not even an affiliate, but I promote things that I shouldn't. But they taste good. It's Friday. It's Mother's Day in 2 days. It's 85 degrees in Salt Lake City. Cheers to my buddies out there. Oh my God, these are good. They're probably bad for you, but they taste good. And everything that's bad for you is usually good, feels good, or is expensive. I lived in Vegas, trust me. All right. The question, how many hours, how long does it take before I make money and get some success in this little thing called Save Club? All right. My response, this can go for just about anything. You don't have to have an online business or be in Save Club. If you're going into something where you think, okay, if I put about 3 hours and 17 minutes into that business, whatever it is, how much am I going to make? Okay. All I can think is maybe you've had a by the hour job. Okay. And I have. I think we've all been paid by the hour. Then you get to salary. Then you own your own business. And then you realize, oh my God, I'm working 500 hours a week for nothing. Or at least with salary, you're like, hey, at least I'm making some good scratch. It's comforting knowing how much I make each month. And I'm getting paid really nicely, even if I have to work a little extra something. Please do not come to the table with that type of mentality or questions in your mind or questions to me about, well, how many hours, Cory, before I am sitting on a lawn chair on my ass in Malibu with a Lamborghini and a Barbie beach house? You can't think that way, and you shouldn't about anything in life, okay? It's how much air is there? How much pee am I going to pee next time I go pee? Is it going to be a half gallon, a quart, or a teaspoon? And will I pee blue if I drink Blue Hawaiian Monster sugar-free, calorie-free energy drink? Okay? There's some questions that you just don't want to ask yourself. Okay? There is no time limit. Because if you think there's a time limit or a time frame, now you're equating it to pain. Oh, I got to work another 5 hours. Oh, I only got 2 more days before the weekend. All right, I work 8 hours a day with 1 hour lunch. So 9 times 2, 18. And then it takes me an hour to work, hour back. So yeah, I got to put in about 20 some odd more hours before Friday. And then I'm going to go crazy and sit on the couch and watch golf. Or then I'm going to go nuts and mow the lawn. Okay? I hate to think that way now, especially now that I'm older. Guys, I'm born in the 60s. I don't like to put time on things because then you get depressed and go, oh God. Then you just need a hug from someone, and I don't even have anybody to hug me right now. I just got to hug myself. Okay? How many hours? You know what? You should work like crazy on Save Club, but make it fun. If you have a couple hours, don't be watching Netflix or golf or doing stupid stuff, piddle dinking. What's it called? Boinking, whatever the hell you're doing in the garage. Leave your lawnmower alone. Okay, if you're in the backyard, leave your lawn furniture alone. Okay, you can molest or play with them later. All right, you need to go inside, get good at least one thing, and maybe it's just posting on social media. If you join my team, I have access. There's pictures, there's graphics, there's banners, there's short little videos. You're free to use. They're neutral. They just promote Save Club. All you got to do is put a link to your capture page, the Powerline landing page, and you've got all that for $60. That's it, a full-blown website. All right, you don't have to worry about customer support, shipping, handling. There's no products. People go online, they search for deals, and usually it's stuff you're already buying or things you're going to buy in the future. That's it. But don't put a time limit going, oh God, I got to put an hour into this. Oh, I just want to sit on my ass and watch something on Netflix that I can simply watch anytime because it's streamed. Now, you should take off if you have things with your family, or if you're religious on a Sunday, or if it's like the Super Bowl, okay? Life sometimes takes over, and your Save Club business might have to go second, third fiddle. But man, when I have an extra hour or two to kill, I do back-to-back videos. In 2 hours, I can do like 7, 8, 9, 10 videos. This video, I might say it's Friday and I recorded it Thursday. Okay, do you notice that I have the same shirt and hat on like for 2 or 3 days? Okay, it's because I just make a whole bunch of videos and I mix them up. And if I accidentally say it's Friday, then I have to make sure that I upload the Friday video because I don't want to say, guys, it's Friday, and then it's Thursday. Okay, but I love doing videos. So what I do, if I have an hour or two, I just come up with topics, things that are on my mind. And then obviously if the company or if something comes up, I hurry and make a video about it, and then I load it present. Boom, pronto, amigo. But I love doing video, and it's not a hassle to me. And I know Netflix and Hulu and Paramount Plus, Tubi, Crackle. Oh my God, there's so many things just to sit on your ass and watch life and not live it. Okay, but I love doing this. That way I don't say, well, God, how many hours do I got to do this Save Club thing? I want to go watch 1923, 1823. I want to watch Yellowstone and Landman and Lioness and Tulsa King. I want to watch it all this weekend. And the Mayor of Kingstown. They're all Taylor Sheridan stuff. That guy would quit producing content. Man, that guy has my attention more than anybody. It's a crazy amount of things that you can watch on TV, but you can't do that right now. Just put it aside. Make sure your family's good. Make sure you kiss your wife or your hubby. Go in the backyard, pet I don't know, do you have a giraffe in the backyard? Just give him a hug. Just kiss him and go, man, I'll be back, little giraffe. But I got to go inside and make some content. I got to post something. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, X, Twitter. I got to do a short video. Hi, guys, I'm Cory. There's something called Save Club. Watch the damn video. Now I got to go pee and I got to go mow the lawn or my wife's going to cut my thing off with the trimmers. Do a video like that. You'll probably get 10,000 views of people laughing. And they'll just click your link and go, God, I can't believe this. He said his wife's going to cut off his tallywhacker with the trimmer, and now I just joined Save Club. You know how many people I have signed up just in Live Good? You can see my products on the mini fridge. Just by having Legos and Kiss in the background, there probably wasn't a month that went by over a 2-month period, I'm still in Live Good, where someone goes, I'm joining you because you like Hot Wheels. Or I'm joining you because you're creepy. You're like 60, but you act like a third grader. All right, I won't even say all the other things that are on my shelves. God, I have to move, and oh my God, I forget half the crap back there. Okay, be yourself. Wear a Walmart shirt like I do and cut the sleeves off. You don't have to fake it to make it. Okay, just be yourself. If you think it's a chore to post, make a video that goes, guys, I hate video. I can't stand posting about Save Club, but I want you to join because then I make money and I can pay bills. Now get your ass watching that damn video. I love saveclub.com. I gotta go. Be grouchy. Oscar the Grouch. Remember those two old guys that were yelling all the time? The Odd Couple or the Muppets? One guy's kind of cool, the other one's grouchy. Oscar the Grouch. Are you that person? Are you grumpy grandpa with your balls hanging out, telling people to get off my lawn? If you're that guy, good. You'll be successful. I'll join. Even though I'm in Save Club, I'll probably join you. Just because I think grumpy grandpas and rabid grannies. Are you a grandma without teeth? Did you used to have teeth and you hit 65, 70 and the damn things just fell out? I mean, now you talk like this. You need to buy some teeth good. Join Save Club. You can probably save some money at a dentist. Buy yourself some choppers. All right? Go buy fake ones even. You don't need porcelain. Those things are going to cost you probably 50 grand. Just go buy some plastic ones from China. Okay? No one cares anyway if you're 80. You're just sitting there going, ugh, damn it, I can't believe it. I got probably 5 more years left. Hurry up and Save Club this. And then just throw your camera, take your shirt off, and just dance. And I'll join you too. I'll probably want to come over and dance with you. But man, do not think of this. Oh, how many hours do I gotta, I gotta wait a week or two before I do anything financially? All I can tell you is I make smart-ass videos. I've made $2,000 the first 2 weeks that I've done this business. And somehow I think I'm number 12 or in the world already. Okay, I've signed up almost 60 people No doubt I'll have 100, 200, 300 people just by having fun with you guys. This is therapy. I should pay you for watching my videos. But I don't think of this as like, oh God, I can't believe I got to make another 11-minute video. I love video. Most people don't. We have videos already for you made. We have pictures, banners. They're just waiting there for you. You probably got a damn cell phone. They look like Pop-Tarts. Mine looks like a white Pop-Tart with eyeballs. Okay? Get on the darn thing. Quit playing around with the swiping up, down, left, right, doing all this crap. Post with a purpose now. Guys, this is Cory. I have something that's pretty damn cool I want you to watch this video. It says, I love saveclub.com. Yep, I got it right. I love saveclub.com. Check it out now. I got to go. I got to go take a poop. I'm uploading that. I am. And I'll poop live on camera if I have to. I'll do anything for ratings or laughs or signups. We probably have Huggies for sale on Save Club. I know we can go to Walmart and save. Walmart sells baby wipes and Huggies. Huggies Cucumber Aloe Vera are the best, by the way. Oh, man, every time I wipe, it feels so good. Okay, anyway, back to serious business. You need to quit psyching yourself out before you've even joined. Okay, how many hours do I got to take? All right, what does it take? All right, when am I going to make 10 grand a month? Okay, come on. That ain't a way to do this business. The best thing for you to do is to join first, and then we're going to find one way for you to get good at something. I don't care what it is, and you're going to perfect it. You're going to make it fun, and then we'll find a second thing. In my case, I love video. You're watching one. I love messing off on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all these other things that are on your cell phone for free, basically. And I love business cards. If someone brings up Save Club, I just go, guys, I don't talk about this in person, no offense, but go to my link, okay? And then what I'll do is I'll just show you my business card, Vistaprint. That thing cost me $22 for a big old box that'll last me years, right to my front door. I bought ilovesaveclub.com at GoDaddy for $12.17. There's my Cory at CoryDraper.com. Contact me, ask me questions. I don't care what it is. I'll make a video about it so everybody can learn from it, hopefully, if I know what I'm doing and if you trust me. Okay? And that's it. You go to my capture page. You're going to have this same capture page for 60 little bucks. But instead of Cory Draper's website, it's going to say you. So let's say your name is Pickle Puss. It's going to say, welcome to Pickle Puss's website. Or maybe your name is Wally Williams. Welcome to Wally Williams' website. Okay? Maybe your name is Mr. Wigglesworth. Welcome to Mr. Wigglesworth website. Okay? Whatever, man. Have a sense of humor. If you screw off and have a great time, I'll probably join you. Like I said, I'm already in this darn business, but I love people that have fun. Okay? I think other people too. All right, guys, go to my Powerline page and watch this video. Remember, if you haven't joined yet, you've got the same exact page. You're going to invite people to this video. People are going to fill out this little form here. Boom, boom. Hit the orange button. It doesn't mean you joined yet, but at least you're in the system. You'll get some more information via email about Save Club. And if you want to join, open up the Save Club email. You guys will figure it out. Okay? All right, that is it. I am 100% done with this video. I tried to do a 15-minute one, and it looks like I got 1 minute to wrap it up, okay? So go ahead and click my domain name. Like I said, I have a pretty darn good group that I belong in, okay? Currently, we are the biggest group in Save Club, and the reason why I think it is awesome is because we do have just some content for you, some banners that you can use. Put them on Facebook or wherever you'd like to post. They're all neutral. They promote Save Club. From the service that you save just by spending $20 a month, saving on things you're already buying, right down to being an affiliate. $60, bam, you got a website, you got the Powerline page where people can get more information. Everything else is done. You got your own support. Support's done. Support at saveclub.com. If you have questions, technical, you guys will figure it out, okay? My job is just to help you guys join, get configured, get comfy, and then try to find at least one thing to get going that you can start posting and content-wise, Facebook, Instagram. If you want to do videos like this, watch every day. I do about 5 to 7 videos every single day, guys. Okay? If you duplicate and you help your downline duplicate, we all make more money. You guys realize that, okay? All right, I'm at the 15-minute mark. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to ilovesaveclub.com and let's kick some ass, man. It's almost summertime, 2025. The pool is cool, man. I got a chair right at the side of the pool with you and some other folks with some barbecue and some ice cold drinks waiting for you. All right. I'll talk to you soon, okay? Thanks for your time, guys.